Hey Blessed Babes, this is the Kalia show, just in case you didn't know. Hey Blessed Babes, welcome back to my show. Today I'm going to be doing a curly bun tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a curly bun tutorial for you guys. My hair is in its natural state right now. I just washed it and yeah. Please, hair gurus, can you guys comment some things? If you like have my kind of texture hair, I don't even know how to like describe it. Once was curly, now it's like kind of trying to make its way back. But please comment some products below that you think would help my hair flourish, help my curls come back fully, because like as you can see the stringiness, but like it's trying to come back. I'm going to be using my bundles from SA Beauty Hair Salon, the same bundles that I used for my curly ponytail in my most recent video. So I'm just going to start by putting a little bit of conditioner on my edges and wetting them just a little bit more. And I'm using Pantene Curl Perfection conditioner, because hopefully that will do something. Waves on swim, so they hate on him. Sorry. And then I'm gonna just flip my head upwards and start putting it in a bun. Like this.
Sorry.
Boom. My hair is thick enough to where I can like just do my own hair, but I want to be a little extra and add in weave. So here we go. I'm gonna just start at the end of it and wrap it around.
Your hair look good, like your real hair.
That's what I just said.
I'm sorry, I just saw it.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, my hair. I was just saying that my real hair looked pretty good to leave it by itself, but I'm just being extra. Then just take that end piece and wrap it around a couple times. Like that.
What it looked like before you put it on it. Okay, bitch. You look like,
And then I'm gonna just go ahead and maneuver the curls around a little bit like that. Like a real big fluffy bun. Just yeah, and I just like to leave a couple curls out. Just pluck it until you like it. You can't tell me nothing. You can think that's my real hair.
And then somebody asks, yes,
And then from there, I'm just going to do my baby hairs. And this is my final look, my extra curly bun.